Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change your password. Alright, first of all, open your TikTok application and from there go to your profile. Then tap on the three lines right in the top and from here tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on our account and from here tap on password. Now we are having a 2FA verification. So in a while we will receive our code and then we can go further. Alright, there it is. And now if you can see, you can change your password. Alright, keep in mind you need minimum 8 characters and max 20. You need one letter and one number in it and you need one special character. Alright, you can do whatever you want, then do next. And after this you change your password. Alright, this is how it works, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And for now, thanks for watching.